Hi everyone, in this tutorial video I wanna show you how to add admin on Facebook page. Okay guys, stay tuned, let's start. Okay guys, if you want to add a admin to your Facebook page, simply guys go to your facebook.com and enter your account. Here above in the pages tab, as you can see here, we have a home tab, pages tab, and watch and groups tab. Click in the pages tab. As you can see here, we have all my page, as you can see here. Okay, select your one you want to add a admin for it. Okay, as an example, level 21 news, I want to give someone admin for this page. Here in the left pane, as you can see, click page settings. Okay, also in the left pane, scroll down to page roles. Okay, click here again. Okay, in the right pane guys, we have assign a new page role, as you can see. Okay, here type or add the one you want to give a permission to be a admin for this page. Just type his name. Okay, as you can see, I want to give this one. Okay, here you can change the permission. Select admin, then click add. Here guys, enter your account password, then click submit. That's it guys. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe and share.